Sabi nga nila, the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Kaya narito ako, lumalaban sa hamon ng buhay, nagsisikap para mabuhay sa paraang pinangarap ko.
I think the thing that I'm most grateful for is, of course, the love from my parents. Pero talagang katumbas yung support na natanggap ko ever since. Kahit yung vlogging career ko, I'm so grateful. And also, when it comes to my career, I'm so grateful that I chose this path na I make my passion as also a side career because this is the thing that I love, and I am so grateful na pinush ko talaga kahit mahirap. I push through all the difficulties kahit mahirap yung schedule and stuff. And I'm grateful also sa mga people na friends ko dito na nag-support din sa akin. Diyos ko, para matulungan lang akong gawin yung mga video ko dahil mahal yung magkuha ng photographer at videographer.
Dito sa Dubai, mabilis kong natagpuan ang talagang nagpapasaya ng puso ko, ang pagkakaroon ng totoong work-life balance, na nagsisilbing inspirasyon din sa ating mga kababayan.
I think I find my purpose here in Dubai, the purpose of life. I feel like I find the purpose of my soul, like I need wanting to inspire people to travel, to balance their work. For example, there's so many nurses who are messaging me on Instagram telling me that how come you were able to travel, to do this and that despite our schedule? Like, how are you able to have that kind of energy? Because me, I'm so tired, I'm so exhausted, I don't have energy to go out and stuff. But I received this type of messages, and I'm so grateful that I inspire people. Also, my fellow nurses to travel and find some time to explore Dubai, find some time to have a life, not just work, no? Hindi naman pwedeng nasa abroad tayo, work lang, tapos padala ng pera, work. Parang wala nang purpose yung buhay mo kundi magtrabaho na lang.
Sa mga kapwa ko OFW, huwag din nating kalimutang mahalin ang sarili natin.
Kailangan ng balance talaga pag nag-abroad ka kasi pag nagkasakit ka, sino mag-alaga sa'yo dito? Paano ka makakapag-support sa family mo sa Philippines kung ikaw yung breadwinner tapos trabaho ang iniisip mo? Mahirap pag nagkasakit, pag nasa abroad. You have to have a strong mindset, be independent.
At huwag sumuko sa kahit anong hamon.
I feel like there's a light after ng struggle. And I feel like if I'm gonna give up, I'm gonna be like a failure. If I give up and just go home, and I don't know what to do if I go home. So I feel like if you strive hard, parang you know that there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. So yun yung parang mindset ko na nasa self ko na there's no room for giving up here, okay? You have to strive hard and work harder.
Ako si Charis, isang global Pinoy. Nahanap ko dito ang chance na makapag-inspire ng kapwa ko nurse at kababayan. At dahil dyan, masaya ang puso ko. Malapit lang siya, guys, actually, from my home. Good morning, guys! Hello! Look at it. We have a very nice Christmas tree over here. So, bye!